Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find and delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. You have to start by opening Google Photos application. After that, click at the three dots at the right top and select Stock similar photos, because we don't have a single button to remove all duplicates. So this one is the only one option. Also, I recommended to set layout to months, not to the days. After that, if you have duplicates, right here, as you can see, we have number 3, number 2, meaning that right here we have the stock with the 3 similar photos, and this one is the stock with 2 similar photos. Click at the stock, and now we can delete them by click at the trash, and we can remove all photos, but I want to remove only current photos, and we should repeat this for the second photo. It's the same with the another duplicate, and this one is the only way. As I said, you need to scroll down and check for the duplicates for the stocks and remove photos from the stock. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.